Hello students, today we are going to study Buckingham's Pi Theorem. This theorem states that if there are n number of variables, that is both dependent and independent, in a dimensionally homogeneous equation, and these variables contain m fundamental dimensions, then the number of dimensionless groups which can be formed shall be n minus m. These dimensionless groups are called pi terms or groups. Consider a phenomena involving n variables, that is xi, where I equals to 1 to n, such that a variable say x1 depends upon independent variables, that is x2, x3 up to xn, and upon no other. The general functional relationship between the dependent variable and independent variables may be expressed as x1 equals to function of x2, x3 up to xn, that is the equation A. On account of the mathematical equilibrium between dependent and independent variables, equation A can be written as phi is the function of x2, x3 up to xn equals to 0, that is equation B. It is a dimensionally homogeneous equation and contains n variables. If there are m fundamental dimensions, then according to Buckingham's Pi theorem, equation B can be written in terms of n minus m number of pi terms. Hence, equation B becomes as phi pi 1 pi 2 up to pi n minus m equals to 0, in which each pi term may contain maximum of m plus 1 variables, only one of which is required to be changed from term to term. These m variables which appear repeatedly in each of pi terms are called repeating variables. The repeating variables are chosen from among the variables such that they together involve all the fundamental dimensions and they themselves do not form a dimensionless parameter. If each of the fundamental dimension, that is MLT, are involved, then m equals to 3 and the result will be an equation with n minus 3 dimensionless terms. Now, guidelines for selecting repeating variables. Select the first repeating variable from those describing the geometry of flow, example, size and shape of fluid passage or of the moving body such as diameter, length, etc. Select the second repeating variable from those representing the fluid properties such as density, viscosity, surface tension, elasticity and vapor pressure. Select the third repeating variable from those characterizing the fluid motion such as velocity, acceleration, discharge, pressure, force, power. That is all about the Buckingham's Pi theorem. Thank you very much, students.